You guys stole them. Stealing is not good. We need our toys back. We need our toys back. You guys want to go to jail? They're not your toys. Oh, we're going to call the police.
Okay, we need it right now. Let's go.
Hey, come back. Hey, I know where you went. Charlie, they returned the toys! Your toys are back! Thank you! Spider-Man. Are you happy you got your toys back? And the bad guys? Yeah. Something else? Wow, that makes it hot. Daddy's new hose has little tiny holes. And no water! No water! Daddy just poo and poo! Good job, team. Yay. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh my gosh. That's going crazy. Oh wow. Thank you, Hannah. Not the car. Baby.
Pamper box. What are you gonna do with a pamper box? Keep on the car. All right, guys. First, no, that's not gonna do anything because it's a box. Pamper baby wipes. Baby wipes. So here, first rinse it. Rinse the bucket. Pet Boys. I hope they never go out of business. But we're going to in the whole San Fernando Valley. We're still ticking. All right, guys, we're gonna clean this bucket. And now, fill it up. Put it close. We'll put soap. Ready? This is called Advanced Formula Wash. See? Purple Passion. Sounds like something Tupac would do. All right, guys, let's do that. Don't dump it.
Havana, are you gonna wash the car with a hammer?
All right, Havana.
Uh-oh.
Put the bucket in the baby wipes. Good. All right. Whose mitt is this? Who's the yellow mitt? Don't worry, we don't need it. Wow, these hoses they make nowadays. So first, what do we do? Oh, soap, Daddy? No, we wet the car first.
Oh, you got soaked.
And, no!
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Some rust.
Hey, I thought we were supposed to wash the car.
Not wash Daddy.
Oh my
It
god.
says it's 94 degrees.
Havana's the only one. You're doing a good job here.
Okay, that's enough. Daddy's ready to dry this, but come on. I'm not gonna dry up so fast.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Uh-oh.
Remember, Daddy has a hose.
Uh-oh. Now he runs inside.
Turn light. Alright, you guys are shooting soap, right? So leave soap on the car, not me, please. Girls. Come on, guys. We're showing the world how to wash a car. Other kids, come on. Cali kids,
Whoa, that was good.
Alright, guys. Next. Soap all over the car. All over the car. Alright, let's not move. We'll put water.
Havana, what are you doing? Washing Daddy's car? Good job.